Why does your scanner show the P0919 engine code? What does it mean? P0919 is a diagnostic trouble code for gear shift position control error. This engine code indicates that the vehicle's powertrain control module, PCM, has detected a mismatch between the desired gear position and the actual reported position. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty gear shift position sensor or actuator. Wiring and connection problems. Transmission control module (TCM). Mechanical issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Toyota models like the Auris, Aygo, Corolla, and Yaris. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.